Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are in El Nido Palawan, and I am standing probably about I would say the east end of the beach here in El Nido. The northeast end of the beach. I'm trying to get it right here. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do a walking tour of the beachfront, kind of show you what's here, maybe show you what to expect if you visit El Nido. So this is kind of the beginning right here where we're standing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and walk us down all along the beachfront. And as you can see, it's just a real beautiful piece of scenery here at El Nido. So I guess that road kind of leads you back over to some other hidden resorts, things like that. So we'll go ahead and take a walk down the beach. We'll show you the places of business that that are here, and maybe some other sights and sounds that might be of interest to you. So without further ado, let's get rolling. All right, ready, hon? Yeah. Let's show these people what we got here. I know this mud's really slippery. So we arrived yesterday. I gotta be really careful. I'm kind of tiptoeing through this mud. It rained last night pretty heavily, so we got little water puddles here and there. I almost slipped here a few minutes ago.
Heavy rain.
Yeah, no kidding.
Early this morning.
Yeah, I'm not gonna keep the camera on myself, okay guys, because there's just too many beautiful sights to see here other than my beautiful face, you know what I mean? So, here you go, guys. Let me twist the strap around. Okay, there we go. Okay, like I said, I'm standing right over there. Here's the whole bay area. And then let's start walking. I'm not an El Nido expert, so I can't tell you what all these places are, but maybe we can kind of figure this out together, or take a good educated guess. Hold on a second, I'm all tied up here. Hold on. Okay. Get situated here. Gorgeous here. These rockside formations are just incredible. Tomorrow we're going to be doing the El Nido Tour A private tour, and we're really looking forward to that. We were going to do Tour C. We're still undecided. I canceled that one a couple different times already. And the reason why is because although it's really nice out right now, the weather is still unpredictable. El Nido Garden Beach Resort is the first one we come upon, or the second or third actually. Now this is part of the this restaurant, and then the other ones inside here are part of the the town square. The town square area, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, kind of like signifies the end of the popular area, the tourist area, I guess you could call it. So like either way you look at it, either the start or the finish of the tourist traffic area, high traffic area. So basically starting here and working our way down would be the most traveled area for tourists. Tourist alley is what we could call it. Another hotel, not sure what it's called. They don't have a sign out here, but it looks pretty nice.
The El Nido Beach.
Okay, El Nido.
That is our
El Nido Beach Hotel, something like that. Ooh. Hold on, we gotta do a detour here. Yikes. Alright. A little bit of erosion here. Alright, yeah. I think it's better to be further out, hon, so we can see. This is called, oh yeah, El Nido Beach Hotel. Exactly. Right there. Little sign. Okay. Looks nice. El Nido Beach Hotel. And tide's coming in nice and strong. This is where we had breakfast this morning. This little sign up here that says coffee, basically right inside there. This is where we had breakfast. Oops, yeah, I almost slipped again. Watch where you're going. So, and then let me kind of pan out here a little bit. This is ours. This is where we're staying, right here. And our room is all the way up on top on the far right. So that's our little terrace area right up there. So, little table, we got a little table you can see up there. Yep, that's our hangout. And it works great. Nice view up there. So, oh, and this place, in our place, is called Rosanna's Pension. So, the room is so-so. I mean, the TV doesn't work, the internet doesn't work inside the room. There's no hot water pot for coffee or any of that. There's nothing in there really. But we got a nice place to sit outside and enjoy this spectacular view, which makes it all worth it in my opinion.
You shouldn't have Wi-Fi. It's much better if we don't have Wi-Fi and TV, so we can just enjoy the view.
True, yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess that's a positive way of looking at it. If you don't have TV and internet.
That's why we come over here to enjoy the view.
Yeah, you have less distractions. Yep. Less distractions. You can spend your time focusing on what's most important. And that's, you know, being here. So, okay, so we continue. It looks like people are getting ready to go out and do some diving, maybe. And then, what do we got here? Tandikan cottages.
Tandikan Beach.
Alright, so you have Tour D. I would imagine Tour D is available here if you want to go out on that tour. Probably, yeah. Tour D is... I don't know what's on that tour. It's kind of one of the lesser popular tours out here. Most popular tours is Tour A and Tour C. We're doing Tour A tomorrow. That's a definite. Tour C, once again, I don't know. Tour C is kind of like a beach tour, I guess. If you like white sandy beaches, then Tour C is your thing for sure. Tour A, and this is all from what I've read, Tour A is your lagoon tour. So if you like lagoons with high rock form walls, then Tour A is your pick, is your choice. So, wow, this is nice. I like this. I'm talking to myself. She's way the hell back there. Okay, let's wait for her to catch up. Okay, we're back. I like this. I wonder what this place is called. I like this kind of like old style, rustic. Is it Friends Hotel El Nido Beach Resort? Yeah, I kind of like that. Kind of my style. Nothing really super fancy. Just, I like that. I'm gonna look that up. All right, ready, hon? Next, Aquanet Dive Center. Look at this building. Holy moly. It's like this place has seen better times. High tides. Wait, first, what's the next one? Looks like a tour building. High Tides Bistro. Looks cozy, relaxing. And this is the Altrove. Is that the Italian type place? Yeah. Yep, there it is. Altrove. Yep. Yep, we got one of those in Alaminos. Made a video of that actually a while back. Okay, what do we got here? El Nido Big Mamas. Big Mama. Hey, where are you going tonight? I'm going to Big Mama's. And I'm gonna get me some Pinoy hot pot and grill. Alright. Another dining facility. What's this place called? It's a dive place, I think. Anyways, moving on. What we got here? Rainforest Beach Hotel. Looks kind of run down. Next up, Rovix. Rovix is a travel and tours booking office. Alright. How far along are we? Alright. Yacht Wreck Bar. Looks like a nice little place. Actually, very nice little place. Quiet. So if you want a quiet place at El Nido, go to Yacht Wreck Bar. I don't drink anymore, but I'll have a cold Coke. That'll work. R5 Albatross. Not exactly sure. Looks like another bar. Tour C. Here's our Tour C, hon. Holy crap. That building is... I don't think we're going to be taking any tours out of that place anytime soon.
We have to find our...
Okay, another bar. Not sure what this one's called. It is called Seaside Resto Bar. Okay. This lot is vacant. Looks like you could rent this and probably build another bar. Graffiti and everything. Alright. Okay, let's pan around and see how we're looking. Okay, we started way the heck back there. And we've made it all the way this far, so that's where we walked so far, right up through here. So let's continue on, right? Little island kids. Dude looks like a lady. Or maybe it is a young lady, I don't know.
There are kids.
I love making fun of other people's kids. It makes me smile. And it makes me laugh. And if it makes you laugh, then that's a good thing. Huh? What? Oh,
I want to take a video, a photo.
All right, we pause. Okay, okay, guys, pause for pictures. Hold on, be right back. Okay, continuing on. The Nido Beachfront video tour.
This is the one that we
I don't want no music right now, huh?
This is the one that we want to go.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a restaurant. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a lot of Filipino food, I think.
Bundata.
What is it?
Bundata.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna eat there or not, but
It's just a dog.
yeah. Looks like bar and tattoo. That's a place I would have hung out at when I was younger, for sure. Bars and tattoos went together like peanut butter and jelly, man. How can you have a bar without a tattoo artist on board? Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Probably hard to tell in the video, but that's why you need to come here and see this for yourself, right?
We have 100 islands in
Speaking of beautiful.
Pangasinan.
Huh? What's
We
that?
have 100 islands in Pangasinan, and then they have this high lime.
I know. We come from one vacation spot to another. Where we live in Alaminos, and then here to
find another beauty of the nature.
yeah. Okay, so we got here C. Jane and Resto Bar. Looks like it's been closed.
Jerry's Grill.
A little back entrance to the alleyway, roadway, whatever, going through. Yeah, this right here, right up through here, is kind of like the end of the roadway, the interior street between the hotels and other shops. We'll get up through there here later. Jerry's Grill. All right, we'll take a walk down the street, the main. Yeah. See, like the roadway back, there is no roadway back behind here. It's whatever. So now there is a hotel back in here somewhere. Is where we're gonna meet up for our tour A tomorrow.
Angel Wish.
So we're nearing the end of the beachfront businesses, hotels and bars mostly.
No smoking at public places.
No, it's been like that since I was a smoker, that is. It's kind of, it's, yeah, you know, it's kind of good and bad. It's good for non-smokers, but it's bad for smokers because you practically have to hide to go have a cigarette. And that, I know when I was smoking, I hated that. It's like, dude, we're outside, my smoky smoke, whatever, is gonna waft into the open air somewhere. You're never gonna smell it. So I can understand, definitely, like inside a restaurant or a bar, you know, people go there, they don't want to smell your smoke. But if you're standing out here on the beach, who the hell cares? I don't care if somebody's standing around here smoking a cigarette. It's not gonna bother me one bit. Because we're outside.
So we're at the end now.
Yeah, we're pretty much nearing the end. I just kind of want to get up here a little bit further, then we'll put a kibosh on this video. That's pretty cool. Welcome to El Nido Boutique Art Cafe. That's nice. But I think to access this from inside, you gotta walk. There's probably like a little tiny alley back there.
Maybe there's an entrance.
Yeah. We shall take that entrance because,
There, the guy you went in there.
yep, right there. There's a little alley back there.
So maybe we can go. Or we can go down there.
Yeah.
Where is it down here?
Okay, guys, we're nearing the end of the beach front tour. Getting close. I guess once you get down here, you pretty much, and then we'll see. Is there a way to get out from over here?
I think there.
Let's put right through there.
Okay, we can go in here or either over there, the options. You have the option there.
All right, hold on. I think this is probably where you'll start a lot of the, down in this end area is where your tour meeting points are. Yep. Okay, so just to recap, we started way the heck back over there, walked all the way down here, and we're gonna go ahead and end it right in this area here, because this is the end of the road, so to speak. And what do we got? A gas station that terminates?
Go back over there.
Okay, yeah, it's literally like a big wall. Can we sneak through back there? No. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. Later. Bye.